radar contact climb unrestricted, flight level 120.
Flight motor assisted federal 120 runner here. 45, what's this one?
Alright, 45 Hotel Zulu, thanks. Turn left initially onto a heading of 1905.
Indicating 1905 runner here. 45 Hotel Zulu.
Greetings, student. Welcome to your first Airbus flight. My name is Capt Jack, and I will be your instructor during this introduction to the Airbus checklist. We will take one checklist at a time, and you will end each video with a small quiz to the sessions you have been trough. Let's get you started. The Airbus 320 is an amazing airplane. The aircraft is way ahead of its time, and has always been. If you follow the golden rules at all time, you will be very happy with this plane. Always remember, fly, navigate, and communicate. Let's begin. Safety exterior inspection. As you walk towards the aircraft, before getting on board, you will of course be alert and look around the aircraft to see if there initial should be anything which could be a potential hazard. The first thing before boarding is to make the safety exterior inspection. In this checklist there is 3 important items. Wheel chocks, landing gear doors, and the APU area. The safety exterior inspections ensure that the aircraft and the external environment of the aircraft are safe for operation. When the flight crew arrives at the aircraft, they must check for, or be informed, of any obstructions near the aircraft, engineering activity, or refueling activity, etc. Check for wheel chocks. Important, so the aircraft does not roll away if there is no parking brake or failure coming up later on with brake pressure, etc. Check the landing gear doors position. If any landing door is open, do not pressurize the hydraulic systems until clearance is obtained from the ground personnel. Check the APU area. Check for oil leaking covers, open doors, and make sure that nothing can harm the operation of the APU and personnel around the area. We are now ready to enter the cockpit. This ends the safety exterior inspection checklist. Are you ready for a small quiz? Why is it important not to pressurize the hydraulic system until you have made your safety exterior inspection? Correct. If the landing doors are open, they could suddenly shut, and thereby hurt people. Great stuff, student. Let's meet up for the next checklist to be done. The preliminary cockpit preparation. Thank you for listening, and remember to leave a like, comment, or subscribe if you enjoyed this video.